सूट चक वे सलाई करी फिर दी रीझ पूरी होगी चन्ना बड़े चिर दी सूट चक वे सलाई करी फिर दी रीझ पूरी होगी चन्ना बड़े चिर दी फोन वार वार फिर मैं चुमदी भेजी तू जदों हां लिख के वे मैं सोहणिया बनौणी दे दी कंगड़ी वे तेरा मेरा नाम लिख के हां सोहणिया.
So I just got me some food. We're still in Madurai and we're still trying to solve the SIM card problem. My SIM card finally works since we've been in an Airtel store yesterday, but Romy's card still doesn't work, so we're trying to solve the problem. Yeah, but we're leaving tomorrow morning for I don't know, somewhere in the Highlands. Yeah. Thank you very much. Hey guys, we've made our way to Munnar this morning, and yeah, yesterday we've been on a rock with 2 other guys from our hostel, which was a very cool day because this was more like a secret tip and there were no tourists at all, just us and some locals. It was a very cool day. Yeah, and yeah, now we're in Munnar and we are in this cute like a cottage. Yeah, you can't see much right now, but we've got a double bed and nice bathroom. And yeah, there are just some ants, but that's okay, it's very sweet here. Yeah. And yeah, we haven't done much today because we are very tired from the trip. And yeah, we're staying here for 3 nights and just want to relax a bit. And it's quite similar to Ella, where I've been in Sri Lanka, and because there are also tea plantations. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna rent a scooter or try to get into the town because we're quite abroad, like more than half an hour from the town in a small village. But yeah, we're trying to rent a scooter or something, and yeah, that's our plan. I've always bad luck with my suitcases because this time I don't know how, but I somehow changed the code of my lock, so I couldn't open it anymore. And then we opened it with a knife, which worked, which is quite sad actually because everyone can just open it with a knife. But yeah, the lock was still closed, and then a local here helped me with breaking it. Like they just broke it, as you've seen in the clip before actually. So now my new suitcase also broken again, but this time I broke it myself. Yeah, but it's still working anyway, so that's okay. Yeah, but I've always bad luck with suitcases. मेरा चूड़े वाली बाह थोड़े मोटे रख के जी जित फोटोआं करो नू हाँ जी हाँ फोटोआं करो नू करे मेरा चूड़े वाली बाह थोड़े मोटे रख के जित फोटोआं करो नू करे नाले जेरे यार बेली थोड़े खास ने कदों पक्के चोरी उत्ते भाभी कह गए केड़ा लगना दवाइया साडे ब्याह च तेरे पहले सिच पंगड़े दी पैण गए कल सुन लब
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਛੱਤੀ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਦਿਲ ਚੱਕੀ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਆਕੜ ਦਿਖਾ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ ਟਾਲਦੀ ਆਕੜ ਦਿਖਾ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ ਟਾਲਦੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੁਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਸਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ shaadi.com ਉੱਤੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਭਾਲਦੀ ਰੁਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਸਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ shaadi.com ਉੱਤੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਭਾਲਦੀ ਰੁਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਸਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ shaadi.com ਉੱਤੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਭਾਲਦੀ DJ Hans ਆਕੇ ਯੂਕੇ ਦੇ ਫਲੈਗ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਚੱਕ ਰੱਖੇ ਸੀ ਤੂੰ ਉੱਚੇ ਬੜੇ ਨਖਰੇ ਚੱਕ ਰੱਖੇ ਸੀ ਤੂੰ ਉੱਚੇ ਬੜੇ ਨਖਰੇ ਕੀ ਬਣਦੀ ਸੀ ਵਿਸ਼ਵ ਦੀ ਸੁੰਦਰੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਭੇਜੀ ਆ ਫਿਓਂਸੇ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਦਰੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਬਣਦਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਇਹ ਬੀਬਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਰੇਸ ਵੀਕ ਚਲੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਵੀਕ ਚਲੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੁਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਸਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ shaadi.com ਉੱਤੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਭਾਲਦੀ ਰੁਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਸਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ shaadi.com ਉੱਤੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਭਾਲਦੀ ਉਹ ਪਾਣੀ ਵਗਦੇ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ ਖਲਾਰ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਚੰਨ ਝਾੜ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਉਹ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰੀ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਯਾਰ ਬੰਦੇ ਖਾਸ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪੁੰਨ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪਾਪ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਉਹ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਣੇ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ
Hello, it's already the third day and we were meant to leave today, but turns out that Romy is a little sick, so gonna stay one more day here. Just had some brunch, like late breakfast, and I'm just using the day to get some stuff done, like cutting videos and stuff. The problem right now is that I can't load up a new video because I'm waiting for the rafting videos that were given to another Sri Lankan, and he's ignoring my messages and he doesn't want to send them to me, kinda. I think it's because when I was in Colombo he asked me out and I refused because I just didn't want to go out with him, I don't know. And now he's ignoring me. Yeah, so maybe I have to just use my own videos, but that kind of sucks because I just want to have the other videos too, and they're way better shots, I think, because they were taken by the guide who had got a helmet camera. Yeah, however, yeah, I'm just gonna relax today, hoping that Romy's gonna get better soon. And yeah, but the last 2 days were so awesome. We just rented a scooter and discovered the area, and we've driven like 100 kilometers each day, and yeah, it takes a long time here because you can only drive like 30 or 40 kilometers per hour. And yeah, but the area was so beautiful, and it's kind of like Ella here, like Ella in Sri Lanka, but when you drive like few kilometers the landscape is completely different, and like African steppe or something, and yeah, it's so diverse here and I love it. It's so beautiful.
ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਯਾਰ ਕਾਲ ਬੋਲਦੇ